Dogecoin is currently holding near a long-term rising trendline on the monthly chart, but the daily chart suggests a weak recovery structure. This means the price is in a compression zone, where it has been tightening before a potential larger move. The monthly chart shows Doge moving above a broad support line that has guided the price since earlier cycle lows. Each major upward move in Dogecoin's history has followed a period of consolidation near this long-term base. Now, Doge is trading close to that trendline again, and the price is also near a curved moving average, forming a potential area of consolidation. This setup suggests that a breakout could be on the horizon, but it's not guaranteed. The lower indicator on the chart shows a long period of reduced momentum after previous spikes in 2017, 2021, and 2024. The current reading is near the lower range, which suggests Doge has cooled down after earlier volatility. If Doge holds the rising trendline, the broader bullish structure remains intact. However, if the price breaks below the trendline, it could indicate that sellers are regaining control and the current compression has failed. This would weaken the setup and suggest a possible decline. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. On the daily chart, Dogecoin is moving higher from its recent lows, but the recovery still looks corrective. The price is currently testing a key resistance area near 0.118. This level is important because it has already acted as a reaction point after forming a rebound from the March low. If Doge can push above this resistance with strength, it could signal a shift in momentum. A stronger move above the nearby moving average would support a possible recovery attempt. However, if the price fails to break through this resistance, it may struggle to move higher in the near term. The current situation shows that Doge is in a critical phase of its chart structure. A breakout above resistance could lead to a more sustained recovery, but a failure to do so could result in another decline. The compression zone suggests that a larger move is likely, but the direction remains uncertain. The next signal to watch is whether Doge can move above the 0.118 resistance level with conviction. A strong breakout would indicate that the recovery is gaining traction. Conversely, a rejection at this level could signal that the current consolidation has failed and that sellers are back in control. The long-term trendline remains intact for now, but any break below it would be a concerning sign. Investors should monitor the price action closely in the coming days to see whether Doge can maintain its position above the trendline and the moving average. A successful breakout could lead to a more bullish setup, while a failure to break through resistance could result in a return to lower levels. The market is currently in a waiting period, with the price consolidating before the next major move. The next signal will likely come in the form of a breakout attempt at the Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. 0.118 level. If Doge can push above this with volume and momentum, it could signal a shift in sentiment. If not, the price may struggle to move higher in the near term. The current setup suggests that Doge is at a turning point in its chart structure. A breakout above resistance would be a positive sign, while a failure to do so could lead to another decline. The long-term trendline remains a key level to watch, as a break below it would indicate a weakening setup. The next few days will be crucial in determining the direction of Dogecoin's price movement.